Time management, key to productivity and efficiency. Importance of time management. Efficiency, optimizing time used for maximum results. Productivity, achieving more with better quality. Balance, attaining a balance between work and personal life. Stress, reducing stress through effective planning. Identifying priorities. Set goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Categorize tasks. Separate tasks based on urgency and importance. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Categorize tasks into four quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Planning techniques: to do list, calendar, time blocking. GTD means getting things done. To do list: create a list of tasks to be completed. Calendar: schedule time for tasks and events. Time blocking: allocate specific blocks of time for particular tasks. GTD means things done, a method for managing tasks and projects. Managing distractions. Identify distractions. Recognize what frequently disrupts your focus. Create a work zone. Establish a distraction free work environment. Set time limits. Allocate specific time to check emails or messages. Use the Pomodoro techniques. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. Delegation techniques. Identifying delegible tasks. Determine which task can be delegated. Choose the right person. Select someone with the necessary skills and time. Provide clear instruction. Communicate clear instruction and objectives. Monitor progress. Ensure to track progress and provide feedback. Overcome procrastination. Understand the cause. Identify reasons behind procrastination. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes, do it immediately. Set small goals. Break large tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Reward and consequences. Reward yourself for completing tasks and set consequences for not finishing them. Evaluation and adjustment. Review performance, assess how well you followed your time plan, adjust plans, modify your time management plans and techniques based on the evaluation. Identify areas for improvement. Find areas that need adjustment. Keep learning, explore new techniques, and continuously improve your time management skills. Conclusion: effective time management is crucial for boosting productivity and achieving a balance between work and personal life. By identifying, prioritizing, planning effectively, and managing distractions, you can reach your goals more efficiently. Call to action: apply techniques, implement the discussed techniques, set priorities, identify and focus on your main priorities, evaluate regularly, review and adjust your time management practices periodically. Thank you so much. See you next lesson. Bye bye.